Hi guys, I just wanted to tell you something very, very, very exciting. I just hit rank 6 literally an hour ago, and actually I'm going to show you that this is in my balance right now. Of course, some of my money, some of the bonus that I received, some of them went to the promotional money wallet, but that's all right. But I still got paid my my 7,500. I'm going to show you. This is so exciting, and the exciting part is that anyone can do this. You know, anyone can achieve these kind of results. Anyone can achieve this kind of success. So I'm just going to show you how it looks. So I'm just going to show you. Here we are. Here we go. I'm at rank 6. It looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful, let me tell you that. I haven't got paid for the binary yet. That's coming up in like probably in an hour. So anyway, I'm going to show you. Here we go. So I got paid my 7,500 for my rank 6, which is entirely awesome. So you know, guys, this is just incredible. What this opportunity can give you is absolutely incredible, absolutely amazing. And you guys, you know, should really look into it if you haven't already. This is something that can entirely change your life. Seriously, it changed so many lives all around the world. It literally saved so many people from being bankrupt. You know, literally saved families' financial situation. It's incredible what this opportunity can give you. Literally what you have to do is open your mouth and share the opportunity. That's what I've done too. I opened my mouth, I started making videos about my experience, and people asked info, and they decided to join. They decided to join and go along and start building the business. So this is what it can literally give you. It can give you so much. It can give you friendships as well and connections with people. It's not just about the money here, but the community, that the people you can connect with, the leadership. It's so many things into this opportunity. You will see that this is something that you never imagined that it would happen in your life. It's truly incredible, I'm telling you, because I'm showing you my back office, right? So you can see the numbers, you can see everything. There is nothing I have to hide. This is pure truth. What you see here, these numbers are my numbers. Okay, this rank is my rank. Okay, so it's absolutely fantastic. It's absolutely amazing. And you know, I don't know how people can just miss this opportunity and miss this option and miss this chance in their life to make money, to help others, to build a team, to build a community, to help their friends and family and people they love. It's just absolutely entirely incredible. So we don't stop here, of course. We're gonna go and I'm gonna go and go forward. And my next goal is obviously rank 7, and step by step we are just basically stepping on the ladder of success. So this is incredible that I was able to get rank 6 today. It's something amazing, something huge, and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for my amazing uplines, including my boyfriend. I'm so grateful for all the people that helped us on this journey. It's just absolutely fantastic. I never felt so much appreciation, so much love from people I have never even met with, but they help me every single day, and it's just absolutely fantastic. And sometimes it's overwhelming. It makes me cry sometimes, and it's just so touching to have this kind of wonderful community to work with. So I hope you guys like this video. I think it inspired a lot of you, and just literally all you have to do is just grab the opportunity, have a look at it, start building it, and have a positive mind, and miracles will happen. Trust me. If you set your mindset to look at the positive and to look for the positive, You will find it, trust me, you will. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel so you would get notified of the upcoming videos that I'm going to upload. Have a great evening, and have a wonderful, wonderful, successful business. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me, of course, in the email that is mentioned below in the description of this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a great evening.